Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be planting the cabbages in the ground, so basically in the final location. So I've got 10 cabbages, so I'm going to plant them in a zigzag row like that, so that they get more spacing, but that one in the middle is not going to go there. So I'm going to be left with one plant after planting all 9 here. So let me show you the best cabbage I have and why I'm going to transplant, because you can see that the roots are growing into the ground and they need to be transplanted. The cabbage looks like that. I think they look really beautiful. This is the first time planting cabbages, so if you're going to plant in the ground you need to consider obviously the snails, but that's an issue I can deal with really quickly. Just go out and take the snails off. So I'm going to just plant the plants approximately the same distance here. If some plants are dead, I'm going to just place with this plant, so I can just plant the other ones. And I have a really fertile soil by my experience, because under this I have brown material, then green material, layer of green materials like banana peels and things like that, really thick layer, and then a thick layer of egg cartons, which will act as brown materials. So as the materials under decompose, the plant gets nutrients as it grows as well, the roots in this ground. So as you can see, all the place in the zigzag row, so I could just go in the border and then plant them in the ground. And this is the first time you can plant them as deep you want, a little bit more deep, because obviously if you want to have it stable you can plant it deeper. So I'm hoping for a good harvest, because I never planted cabbages before, but this is the first time. If you have any ideas, please leave a comment, because this is my first time or second year of gardening basically. So now I'm going to just begin to plant all the cabbages and just keep watching. I have planted all the 9 cabbages. So I have 9 cabbages now, and the one that was left is here. I may discard that, or I don't know, I may do something with it. And I don't know why some cabbages are so small, some cabbages are bigger, and some had yellow leaves. It may be because of nutrition deficiency, but now that they have nutrition, they may grow bigger. And I noticed leaf miner on one of my nasturtiums. I think it's a host plant. Therefore planted in between the tomatoes, therefore it has taken the host plant, which is nasturtium, not the tomatoes, hopefully. And I don't know how to treat that. If you know, please leave a comment below. But I have now planted all the cabbages, so I really hope you enjoyed the video and hope you found it useful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.